This is a child's push-along play top trolley which I've had a go at refurbishing. It belonged to my wife, who inherited it from her siblings. Probably made circa 1955. And we want to pass it on to our grandchildren. It was made by Triang, and I took it to pieces, revarnished, rubbed down and revarnished the timber elements and sprayed them with low VOC child-friendly paints. The side here had text painted on timber, and I took a photograph of that text, transcribed it into a machine toolpath for my CNC, and V-carved the characters, which I then filled with this pink resin, because the original paint obviously had to be rubbed off in order to varnish the timber. The handle here was deeply pitted and corroded chrome, so I bought some large diameter heat shrink tube, put it on as best I could around the handle, and then put the whole handle in the oven on a low heat, and the tube is shrunk around the handle. I replaced with stainless steel the holding screws here, with inserted females on the other side, and I made a few more cubes to replace the missing ones, and a few more for the future in case they go missing. I 3D printed the central recesses, which had a little plastic triangle. Some of them had a little plastic triangle insert, and these are now rebaited and glued in place to stop them coming out. I turned a few extra spheres on a wood lathe for the front balls, and we'll package that up, and hopefully it'll be played with as much joy and enthusiasm as my wife and our children played with it when they were young.